Hey y'all, what's happening? We are on the road again, and we're heading home from the big city of Vernal, Utah. At least it's a big city to me, because the town I'm in at the moment only has 500 people, and Vernal has a Walmart and a Ross and a Petco and a Boot Barn and a Denny's and a Jimmy John's. It also has a Wendy's. We don't have a Wendy's. And that's the reason for today's meeting. We are going to taste test. If I can open the container, we've got Wendy's garlic parmesan sauced wings. Hopefully I can eat them without getting them all over me, but I'm having trouble even opening the package. I'm gonna spill garlic parmesan everywhere. I can see it. Looks like if you ever had the old KFC wings, Nashville wings, where they had a pile of sauce at the bottom of the container, that's what this looks like. Anyway, and those clouds behind me are black. The mountains already have snow on the caps around here. This is October 30th, by the way. Okay, so it's not overly saucy. Just the bottom of the pan is saucy. It really, really smells like garlic parmesan. The whole car does. Okay, texture. Rubbery. I don't want to wait to get these two. Every place in here is slow, except maybe Jimmy John's. This is oil country, and anybody with some hustle is out on an oil rig or something, or driving a truck or welding, making $50 an hour. So fast food gets the leftovers. Nothing against fast food workers, but it's cloudy up ahead too. Anyway. One or both of us may be shaking, so maybe you can't see it too well. The breading, it's typical Wendy's. Oh, there's a pile of it here in the corner. They also gave me some buttermilk ranch. I could have gotten blue cheese, but let's go ahead and try a little buttermilk ranch. So this is the one that was sitting in that little pile of sauce, and it's the garlic butter with parmesan, for sure. Doesn't change the rubberiness. Well, you can't tell right now, we're driving through the Badlands. Actually, they're not bad. They're just drawn that way. No, it's upper desert. A little bit of scrub grass or whatever the heck that is. Okay, when it's been soaking in the sauce, and it is like a garlic butter with Parmesan all over the chicken nuggies. It tastes a little bit better, but that texture, it's rubbery. Yeah, that's my final verdict. Yeah. I've been staying away from fast food as much as I can. Except sometimes when I go to Vernal to hit Walmart. Whoa! It wasn't a cop, just a redneck. Just did a U-turn right in front of everybody with all the traffic. Anyway, where were we? Complaining about fast food around here. Almost always disappointed when I go to fast food anyway, especially here. But it seems like I remember Wendy's having quality once upon a time. But here we are with rubbery nuts. In fact, I tried to stay away from chains completely. And you go to a mom and pop place, the money is staying in your neighborhood instead of going to a corporation. Mom and pop are more likely to donate something to your local Christmas pageant, or these were supposed to be spicy. It just got a teeny taste of spice. Sorry, mom and pop's more likely to sponsor your Little League team. The money is local, the taxes are local. If they go to a local church, they're donating to the church. And that doesn't happen with a chain. Plus, the food's usually better, and it's often cheaper in bigger helpings. That's just my thing. You're welcome to your thing. There are exceptions. I'll make an exception for White Castle and Carrabba's, and when I have to, maybe Arby's. There's a regional chain in the north, like Nebraska and Iowa. Runza. I'll stop at them when I'm on the road. Excuse me. But overall, much rather find a locals, a little hole in the wall. That's where the good food is. If you find you a burger stand with people lined up to take an order, and they wait in their car till the counter person waves to them, get you a burger. It's gonna be a darn good one. It just is. That also goes for Mexican places. Little taco stand on the back road. Chicken. Yeah, that's the way you do it. And now that I've wasted your time talking about chains and non-chains, I better pay attention to my driving, and just in case. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing. Most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll talk to you next time. Bye!